What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You clicking on this video tells me that you guys are hearing some noises with your new 50mm lens, whether it be on the Canon M50 or whatever other camera you're using. But the 50mm lens for you is making all kinds of weird noises in your videos. The noise that you are hearing is the camera lens focusing constantly on your face or on the object that you are videoing. Now, why it's making this noise is because of the actual mic that's on the camera is right there next to the lens. It's the first thing that the lens is hearing. The reason that you're hearing this noise is the camera is constantly focusing on your face or the object that you're shooting, and because of the camera mic is right there, it's the first thing that it hears because it's right next to the lens. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the noise in your videos. But first, let's roll that intro. Now, as you probably already noticed in my last couple of videos, I picked up a brand new lens that, it's for portraits. It blurs the background and focuses and brings in the details for your main object, which in my case is my face. So the last couple of videos have had this weird clicking or focusing noise, which again is the lens, and the mic is right next to that lens. So a good way to get rid of this noise is to purchase an external mic. An external mic sits on top of your camera when you are recording and captures that audio, and it's a much more crisp and clean audio. Now, you've probably already heard this noise in the video because I am shooting this video without the external mic as of right now to kind of give you a better understanding of what the noise is, and if you can identify the noise and know that that's the noise that you are hearing, this video is going to help fix that for you. Now, since you have heard the sample of this audio without the external mic, I'm gonna now set up the external mic so that you can hear what it sounds like with it in. Now, this is going to make the sound better, like I've already said, and it's going to keep the mic away from the lens so it doesn't capture those noises of the lens focusing first. It's gonna capture your voice. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now, hopefully, in this video, now you do not hear the lens focusing. As of right now, it's focusing, it's doing its thing. But hopefully, you don't hear that noise. Now, if you guys have any questions, or if this has worked for you, please go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And if you can, smash a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is you want to make sure that when you're setting up an external mic that you put your sound audio on manual. And then when you're taking the mic off and you're using it without the mic, you want to make sure you keep it on auto. There's plenty of other videos on here that explain that a little bit more thorough. You can go ahead and check those out. But thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.